Train your English voice with the adjective or adverb hard and adverb hardly. Hard as an adjective can mean solid or difficult. As an adverb, it also means difficult or needing a lot of effort. Let's look at some example sentences. The wooden table is very hard. The adjective hard here means solid. The wooden table is solid. Let's look at another example. She slept outside on the cold, hard rock. The maths exam is very hard to pass. The adjective hard here means difficult. The maths exam is difficult to pass. Let's look at our own example. It was hard to tell the difference between the two paintings. It was difficult to tell the difference. He tried hard to get the job done before the deadline. The adverb hard here means he put in a lot of effort to get the job done. Let's look at our own example. She tried really hard to impress them with her cooking. She put in a lot of effort to impress them. Hardly as an adverb can mean only just, almost not or none at all, or certainly not. Let's look at some examples. Only just. I can hardly hear you. Could you speak louder? Here it means I can only just hear you. Let's look at another example. I can hardly wait for the fun to begin. I can only just wait. Almost not, none at all. He hardly tried to finish the work before the deadline. He almost didn't try. Let's look at our own example. She hardly tried to clean up after the party. She almost didn't try. Certainly not. It is hardly surprising you are tired after running a marathon. It's certainly not surprising. Let's look at our own example. I can hardly believe you've never cooked for yourself. I can certainly not believe it.